these are the wonderful colors that we're going to be using today. We have Cobalt Blue Hue, we have Cobalt Teal Hue, Quinacridone Gold Hue, Primary Yellow, and we have Americana Snow White plus the Gloss Medium from Premium. These four are premium colors. We're going to use a 7-ounce cup, and we're going to start with the white, and this is the order that we're going to use. Okay, notice that I put all the colors as much as I could, and now I'm going to fill it up with the white. I have no idea what is going to happen in here, but I want to show you. I'm going to tilt the camera to show you how the colors are in the cup. Okay, so let's bring the canvas. Instead of flipping, I am going to pour in here. I hope this is pretty. Now I'm going to torch. To see what we can do in here. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm going to torch one more time. How pretty that orange. We didn't have any orange. Okay, so I am going to move it this way. And this way. I don't want to lose the yellow, but I do want those cells to become bigger. There. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it like this, and I am going to fix all the edges, and that's it. This piece was done differently. Instead of a flip cup, it was poured, and it had so many cells. The yellow combined in there with the blue and the orange, and it forms like a greenish brown color, but I think it is different. It is pretty in its own way. It had not been varnished yet. Okay, let's continue with the leftover paints. And we're gonna start with the white. Now I'm going to mix fresh white to put in my canvas because I don't have enough painting here for my 10 by 10, but I do want to make paint a 10 by 10. Okay, so let's bring some more white. Okay, so I have a 10 by 10 canvas and I want to put this white in here. Okay, let's bring the torch. Now I'm gonna take from the floor because I don't wanna mess up what I have already, which is pretty. On the floor so that we don't have to lose what we have. I have to spill it a tiny bit in here. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to bring something to put in this side and in there so that I don't lose what I have. Okay, so the easiest way to fix this, because this is so pretty, I wish you can see, but I'm going to put the white in these edges, in these corners that are missing, and then I can move it. Let's see. I didn't like what I did in there. I lost beautiful cell that I had in there, but let's see. Then I can move it and make those cells bigger. Like that. I don't want to move it only one side. We want to move it. Let's put some color in there. So let's move it also on that side. And let's move it also on this side. Okay, see if we can take something pretty from the bottom. I don't have anything to take from the bottom. Otherwise, there. And then I can torch and bring some action. Okay, I'm gonna clean the edges and then I'm going to do that. I'm liking this piece a lot. I'm out of the top coat, so I have not been able to varnish this yet, but I think it has so much cells. They're small cells, but there's so many. It looks so pretty to me. So I hope you like it. Thank you for joining me.